right there. It went, hold on. This area, okay? Watch my hand, please. Like, the whole area, probably going back a little more. Okay, the time is 9:42 a.m., December 21st, 2024. I am 99% sure somebody just went down there, back behind this thing inside of the property of 1511. I heard this deep in the structure scraping of metal, like this crazy sound, deep metal, wow, scraping, wow, 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 whoa. And then with that went, dump, down. One just went down. I sat up. It was startling. I covered my mouth in shock. I whipped my head around. You can see this is my right. I looked over there. My green light was film it. Pronto. Put it online. So I'm just doing it. Adios.